What is going on, traders? This is going to be a quick video. I'm simply going to go over the SPY and whether today was a bull trap or not. Before we start, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get into the video. So today was a pretty lackluster day. We really didn't do much of anything, and it's kind of funny because a friend of mine argued this with me. And you can go to the 4-hour time frame, and if you zoom in on the SPY here, all you did was create two doji candles today. This move right here was pre-market. And then if you go to the hourly time frame, right, you just get a much better picture on what's going on. You just consolidated majority of the day. All you did was bounce between 560 and 563 on the SPY, starting at like what 10 Eastern time. So it was kind of crazy that was argued. But regardless, um, was today a bull trap? Well, there's a few things we need to discuss here. One, I don't know where traders are getting 562 from. Maybe I'm missing something here, but 564, 565 cycle level is your key level, guys. Reason being is if you zoom out, right, and someone asked me, how do I get my support and resistance levels? All you got to do is zoom out. You'll see them clear as day. Right here, we're still within the range of these guys right here. So we haven't broken any key levels when it comes to upside for us to be getting excited or talking about a rip your face off rally, anything like that. And this reminds me of the past two Fridays. The past two Fridays, we've done this exact same thing. February 28th, what did we do? We closed below resistance and then we rug pulled Monday. Same thing happened. What was that? Right here. Same thing happened here. Friday, we closed below resistance. This is off a bit. We closed below resistance. We gapped down Monday. So who's to say that this won't happen again? And I'm not saying it's going to happen again, but what I'm saying is it's too early for us to be talking about a bottom, right? I still don't think the bottom is in. I still think we got at least one more move to the downside, and I'm looking at about 540 on the SPY. Now, when that happens, I don't know. If it doesn't happen by next week, then by all means, I'm wrong. I'm finally wrong. One video, I'll take the L. But for now, I just don't see this being a move towards the upside just yet. And so a lot of traders are talking about like forming a bottom here or forming structure here. You form structure all the time in the market. Like, what are we talking about here? Right? You did it here. You got rug pulled. So I mean, what are we saying exactly? What's preventing us from getting rug pulled here once again? Right? So we gotta keep those things in mind. And another thing that's been bothering me for the past day or two is bulls haven't stepped in. Right? They try to step in, but they just continue to fail to break above 564. I mean, if you really paid attention this afternoon heading into close, you saw that little spike that we got heading all the way to about what was this? About 560 563.8, and they just could not get us above 564. You saw the attempt into close. They failed once again. Right now, things can change obviously over the weekend. Maybe we get good news or something, and maybe we just gap above this level. It's very much possible. But once again, I'm just being cautious here. Okay, I'm being cautious. I don't trust this move just yet. Okay, not only that, I mean, you got bearish wicks coming from the upside. You got a huge bearish wick right here. You got bearish wicks right here. You got multiple bears in this area right here. And mind you, I'm on an hourly time frame. I don't even look at the hourly time frame, guys. And it's kind of scary where we are, right? Because we've seen this exact same scenario play out last Friday and the Friday before. So will I get bullish or am I bullish heading into next week? I think it's very much possible towards the end of the week, maybe. But heading into Monday, I'm just not there yet. I'm sorry. I'm just not there yet. We close below these guys right here. I mean, as you guys can see, there's tons of turbulence in this area. There's tons of bears in this area. This is obviously a key level at 564. You can say 565 psych level. We closed below it. We saw bulls try to step in, try to get us above this level. They failed. I mean, what more is there to say, right? So we got to be careful. We got to be careful who we listen to, who we pay attention to, because the levels matter. Okay, you just cannot ignore levels just because you want the market to go to the upside, right? You just can't ignore. I mean, I don't even know how you ignore these guys back here. I don't even know how you ignore this, right? You just can't ignore things because you want the market to go a certain way. And right now, I think a lot of bulls are just ignoring not only where we are currently in the market, right? As far as economic and economic data, but just where we are in technical analysis wise, right? So you really want to be careful here, guys. Hopefully someone didn't go crazy in calls. Maybe you get lucky next week, but it's clear as day that bulls got weak here. right? What happened? I mean, we talk about price action all the time. Bulls got stronger, and then they got really strong, and then they lost strength here at 564. The candles tell you everything. I tell you guys all the time, pay attention to the candles. They lost strength towards close. They tried to break us above 564. Bear stepped in. Now, this isn't convincing right here, right? We were not really convinced on bears really stepping in here, but it's clear as day that bulls lost strength here and they gave up towards close. So that's my little talk here. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, in the next video, I'm going to go over what institutions are doing in regards to the SPY. I'm going to tell you now it's not good. It's not looking good, but we'll see. Maybe things change. Maybe they get squeezed. We'll just have to wait and see. But I do plan on making another video. This is a new computer, so it's been freezing a lot lately. So I'm trying to figure out why is that's happening, and if I don't, I may have to return it and just get a whole nother computer. So I literally just got this computer today, guys, so let me know how the video turns out for you, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is the bottom? Do you think we're just going to blow past this level right here, 564? Maybe we get good news over the weekend. Maybe Donald Trump, takes a break. He was very quiet today, so that could be a good sign. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until the next video, traders, have a good one.